I am looking for a book titled The Ancient World. I'm afraid I couldn't find it anywhere in the history section.
Give me a moment, please. Let me check it here.
Thanks. I saw it on a shelf last week.
Sure, it's listed in our database, but someone has checked it out.
Do you have another copy of it?
No, we only have one copy.
Okay. When can I expect it to be available?
Well, the person has taken it for 7 days. You can check again on Monday.
All right. Thank you. Hey, I came here a couple of days ago. I wanted to get book titled The Ancient World, which was checked out already.
Yes, I remember you.
So is it available now?
Yes, I must say you are quite lucky. The person returned it just a couple of minutes ago.
I didn't want to miss it. I urgently need this book for my assignment. Here is my library card.
Thank you.
I want to return this book.
But it was due on Monday. You are late by 3 days. I'm afraid you'll have to pay the fine.
Oh, yes, I know that. But I was sick and have not been able to come to college these 4 days.
Yes, it is. But you should talk to the librarian. My duty is just to charge the fine if it is due according to the rules.
Very well, I'll see the librarian. Meanwhile, please issue me these two books. Oh, wait a minute. I want another book too. Let me go to the racks and find out that one also.
Okay, I'll wait and lend you all together.
Here's the book I wanted. Now please issue them.
Would you sign here, please? And here also?
Oh, I want to point out something. In this book, one page is missing. It's page 249. You can have a look.
Somebody has torn it away. I must stamp page 250 to indicate that page 249 has been torn out.
Is this necessary?
Yes, very necessary. Otherwise, this may be blamed on you or the next borrower after you.
Thank you very much.